An incredible tornado was spotted near Edberg, Alberta, Canada. This high-based supercell tornado, distinct from a landspout, displayed clear evidence of mesocyclonic occlusion and wrapping inflow north of the tornado. Environment and Climate Change Canada is investigating reports of this tornado in central Alberta, and the accompanying video was recorded near Edberg. Additionally, Environment Canada issued a tornado watch for parts of east-central Alberta on Monday afternoon. The stunning tornado, recorded on June 3, 2024, was part of a series of severe weather events that swept across the prairies. The tornado touched down near Edberg, a small community south of Camrose, about 125 kilometers southeast of Edmonton.